English in 5 minutes. Fish and Bone, Episode 1, Boring Life.
Good morning, Cat. How are you today?
Good morning, dog. I'm fine, but I haven't had anything to eat this morning.
Oh, really? I have some food. Would you like to share?
Really? Thank you so much, dog. But I'm curious, why do you always have food every day while I don't?
Well, that's because I work for our owner. I guard the house and protect her.
I also want to be helpful. I catch mice, but humans see that as just a cat's instinct.
Maybe it's because you don't know how to wag your tail.
Kahaha, it's true. What are you planning to do after eating?
I will continue to guard the house as usual. Then I go to sleep, and after that, I guard the house again. Do you have any plans, Cat?
I'm planning to go to the fish market. I would meet some friends. I would find something for dinner. Do you want to come with me? It will be fun.
Oh, that sounds interesting, but ... I have to stay home and guard the house. That's my duty.
Don't you find that life too boring? Sometimes you should change things up a bit. Come with me, we would have a great day.
You have a point. But I'm worried that if I leave, our owner will be upset.
Don't worry, we'll be back before she gets home. I'll help you find delicious food at the fish market. You'll find it much more interesting than just lying around guarding the house.
Is the fish market dangerous? I've never been there before.
Danger is a risk, but boredom is a certainty. What's your choice?
Okay, just do it. Wow, the fish market is so interesting. There are so many new things.
Yes, but you have to stick close to me.
I think everything is great. You're worrying too much, Cat.
Dog, run quickly. There's an enemy.
What? Where?
Go to the alley.